If you look at my Arc browser icon, you can see it might be different from the default one or from yours. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Arc search browser app icon. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to change your icon style, just open your Arc search browser and from here go to settings. From settings, scroll down to default section, and under it you should see we have an option to change app icon. Tap on it, and by default you should have the first icon as your default icon, and you can switch to any of these. So I'll wish to switch to this. I'll tap on this, and by changing this, if we confirm, we are told we have to restart the app for this to take effect. So I'll confirm that indeed I want to restart. So if I go back now, you can see now our Arc search icon has changed. So that's how you can change your Arc browser icon. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.